This machine is completely automated. Material feed, cutting, and offloading can all be accomplished without an operator. Semi-finished materials are delivered to the loader by conveyor belt and automatically moved into position for cutting. The cutting operation involves 4 shuttling spindles. When a batch is finished, it is offloaded onto a conveyor belt, while the next batch of semi-finished materials is being loaded in. The central control system features a touchscreen monitor with PLC programs and a variety of model programs. This machine carries out automatic testing during operation and displays any problems for immediate maintenance or repair. The cutting width is governed by a servo motor with fine threaded guide bearings for speed and accuracy. The knife is driven by a servo motor in 2 speed stages to avoid double cutting and to ensure steady feed speeds. This machine's knife holder is automatically adjusted. When the surface to be cut is not flat, the cutting angle is adjusted during travel by a step motor. 8 angles and travel modes can be selected automatically. This machine has 2 knife blades which can be used independently in upper and lower positions if needed. The main spindle and cutting knife are driven by a variable frequency AC motor for operation at any speed. Speed can be adjusted even during cutting. Air-driven changers make roll changing fast and precise to keep productivity at high levels. Processing applications. For slitting PET, PE, OPP, PVC, decorative, double-sided, foam, and other types of plastic tapes. Specifications: maximum outer cutting diameter 180 millimeters. Paper tube inner diameter 77 millimeters. Cutting precision plus or minus 0.1 millimeters.